Proudly serving the greater St. Louis real estate community for over 40 years, Investors Title Company provides professional title insurance and closing services to the many customers we serve. Whether you are a real estate agent, builder, developer, commercial property investor, or work at a financial lending institution, you'll find that our escrow closing officers are the most dedicated and experienced in the title field and have a level of expertise that cannot be duplicated by smaller, newer companies. Our company is a leader in the St. Louis metropolitan area and currently has over 30 locations. Our staff of attorneys are available to provide our closing officers the knowledge and legal consultation needed to ensure every transaction closes properly. Give the expert team at Investors Title Company a call today at 314-862-0303.